It is question number 11 of exercise 26A. Given that the two numbers appearing on throwing two dice are different, find the probability of the event that the sum of numbers on the dice is 4. Firstly, we let the event which is given is B and the event whose probability we have to find is A. Then let A is the event that the sum of numbers on the die is 4. It is A. And B is an event which is given, means given that the two numbers appearing on throwing two dice are different, event that the dice shows different number. Now, on throwing two dice, we have sample space. Sample space will be S equal 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 6, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 1, 2, 4, 6, 5, 1, 2, 5, 6, 6, 1, 2, 6, 6. There are total 36 elements in sample space. Now, event A that the sum of the number on the dice is 4 means the sum of the numbers on the dice is 4. Then we have 1, 3, 3, 1, the sum of the number is 4, 2, 2, the sum of number is 4, and any other no. B is an event that the dice shows different numbers, means in this event the sample point will be one, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Means we remove doublets. What is doublets? 1, 1, 2, 2, 6, 6, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. These are doublet. We remove doublet from the sample space. Then the sample point will be different. Mean 1, 2 both are different. If we take 1, 1, these are same. 2, 1, 2, 3 exclude 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Now 3, 1, 3, 2, the dice shows different, then we cannot take 3, 3. Now 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6, and 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5. And these are the sample point of the event that the dice shows different number. Means we remove doublet from the sample space, which is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Means total number of element in B will be 30. Because it is 36, we remove doublet. Doublets are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Means we remove 6 element. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6 from this sample space. Then total number of sample point in B will be 36. Now we take A intersection B. We have 1, 3 and 3, 1. Number of element in A intersection B will be 2. Number of element in B will be, total number of element will be 30. And we have to find the probability of the event that the sum of numbers on the dice is 4. Means we have to find the probability that the sum of numbers of the dice is 4. Given that two numbers appearing on throwing two dice are different, means B is given. B is already happened. Then probability of A intersection B is N A intersection B by NB. We put the value 2 by 30. It is equal 1 by 15, which is answer.